Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you Oreo biscuit cakes recipe. So let's see how to make Oreo biscuit cake. We need 20 Oreo biscuits of any flavors. I am using chocolate flavor here. You must use the whole biscuits including the cream as well. Break the biscuits in small pieces. Then grind it coarsely. Now add half tablespoon of baking powder. Now add powdered sugar. I am using 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar as the biscuits are already sweet, so I am not adding more. If you want more sweet, you can add more sugar. Mix everything nicely. Now add milk. I am using here 1 cup of milk. Mix properly until it becomes a smooth paste. Now grease a microwave safe bowl with butter. Pour the cake batter to the bowl. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means the cake is baked. Once the cake cools completely, cut it into pieces. Now enjoy your Oreo biscuit cake with a cup of coffee or tea. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.